Looking for the ideal solution to connect ducting to your air vent even in tight spaces? You've got exactly what you need in two practical versions. The round box from the LUFTOMET range is a transition element between flexible ducting and wall or ceiling air diffuser. The low-profile round box is ideal where it's not possible to anchor to a load-bearing structure or where ceiling space is limited. The high-profile round box easily handles transitions through various types of building structures. Both versions are fully compatible with LUFTOMET Sky, Lumen and Jet, and with ducting of 90 mm or 75 mm in the case of the low-profile version. Its design makes it perfect for installation in ceilings, wall and drywall blocks.